This is Subic.
They use it for rice.
Samgyeopsal,
It's woman's having load.
540 and 360.
It's Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal? Ага. Subic Grand Harbor. Texas Joss. No reservation.
Oh, where's
Yeah, it's different beach. Yeah, so dirty.
Yeah, so they clean it every day, but still.
Every day clean, but always dirty.
Yeah, you can show that one here. And this that nice restaurant there. The Sim Point Hotel.
This is restaurant?
Yeah, no, it's a hotel and good restaurant there. Many good. There is many good hotels there, and there is apartment there. Yeah.
Yeah, she speak Russian.
She speak Russian.
Yeah. Good place, Shaira. Subic Walking Street. They call Walking Street here. Not the same Walking Street in Angeles, but it's without bars. It's only Walking Street. Many local people. Yeah, it's good place. Some of restaurants close. Subic Park Hotel.
You can have sit here,
Yeah.
have a fresh air here. And here in the morning it's so nice really. I used to sit here in the morning. And there is a Chinese restaurant there.
Ага, we going to a Chinese restaurant.
And see, this restaurant sometimes crowded on Saturday night.
Saturday, I think, how many people?
Yes.
So crowded.
Many. Here, see this area? Many nice hotels.
It's like Walking Street.
Yeah, it's like
We
the
call
street.
Walking Street and Subic Walking Street.
So nice really. And this is Marina Grey. That's the name of the restaurant. That's my favorite hotel. Where's Shaira?
Shaira.
Oi.
Run, Shaira.
It's
I cannot
lighthouse.
run.
Cannot run? Okay.
Lighthouse. And in the morning, look, you see
Ali said he stay always here in this
that villa house. That is.
what villa. Moon Bay Marina Resort.
Was it that light? I will go here tonight. Villa will go. It's a white. Very white.
Ah, hotel have different buildings.
Yeah. Different type, different building.
Mm-hmm.
And
Water Park, Rotonda, Bar and Grill.
And this is the swimming pool. It's open.
Uh-huh. It's good swimming pool here. For children, very good.
Yeah, this is for children. I used to be here.
So good Shaira here, yes?
Good year.
This is my apartment before. I stay here.
Your room.
This is living room and have kitchen.
Bicycle. Where Shaira? Shaira! Lighthouse. Here, barbecue have. Uh-huh.
This kind, and I tried that one times. Very nice.
Chicken 385. Tuna fish or tuna? Tuna.
Yeah, tuna.
Tuna 495.
And salmon, they have salmon.
Salmon
And
too.
this nice
85.
guy, he's good cooker also.
Yeah. Bot.
Yeah, but
Philippine bot. Philippine bot. No, it's good design. I know. But good style.
Normal to Philippines.
Yeah. Oh, swimming pool also. Lighthouse, yeah. Yeah, good. Shaira, can stand here. You take picture.
Picture you.
Please, Shaira.
Wait only 5 minutes. 5 seconds.
More back. Need to use phone, Shaira.
you know that's moment.
It's good view. Do you like Shaira?
What? Yes, the air here is good. The
Air
what
good?
is the pace here is good also. If you're alone, it's okay. For alone girl.
Not you alone, not alone, that's why let's go.
Can I sit first?
No, you're not alone. Shaira, you're not alone, that's why let's go.
Can I sit
You already say, if I'm alone, I can sit here. You're not
So
alone.
many crab. I think so many
Crab, so
crab.
many, yes. But cannot see in the camera, Shaira.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. See?
Yes, good.
Nasa. 1. Kita na yung taas niyan. Oo, taas na muna dapat.
Shaira. Shaira here. Do you want swim?
No, I don't like.
Don't like swim? Good water. Shaira again sing.
Isn't me look looking for? Tears in your eyes.
Good song, Shaira.
Yes, I always sing like that.
Darken this camera. Now we in McDonald's. We stop in the Clark McDonald's. What Shaira name? Oh, what? Chicken leg. Chicken wings. Okay.
It's wings.
Where water for me, Shaira?
Water for you.
For me, bottle water, okay. Shaira, okay, say thank you for watching because, wait, I will. Guys, we just only arrived Clark and we want to eat in McDonald's because in home don't have foods in home right now because need to cook, but we don't have time for cook.
Because
So
maybe you can sleep if I come back to home.
yeah, Shaira want to sleep.
Because I sleep already in the car.
Yes, Shaira sleep already in the car. She always sleep in the car.
Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped to someone who want to go to Subic. And also, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
We come back to home, but all Mabalacat don't have light. All in dark. Maybe in our home also don't have power.